Thor Broadcast would like to present our top L-band to fiber. Here we have 5 professional-grade quality products. The first one is one Lband LNB dish over fiber extender with outdoor enclosure. Satellite RF1 L-band over fiber system complete transmitter and receiver kit for harsh environment or outdoor installations. The second unit is Lband over fiber TX plus RX basic 1CH kit. Lband RF satellite signal extender over fiber optic cable transport system, multiple Lband fiber optic transport up to 80 km. Can also provide LNB power at various voltages. The third one is 6CH Lband over single fiber extender 54 to 3000 MHz CWDM, 6-channel satellite LNB fiber optic extender, 6 LNB satellite TV antenna feed over fiber optic transmission system with internal CWDM optics. Ideal for point-to-point transport, or for small, level 1 only, scale LTTH distribution systems with 32 or less optical receivers. Supports ATSC feed from local off-air antenna 54 to 3000 mHz. Best satellite distribution system for MDU, multi-dwelling unit. The fourth product is 4 LNB satellite distribution system for MDU over 1 fiber, DWDM high power. 4XCH L-band DWDM transmitter for satellite TV. Designed for delivery of satellite service to more than 5,000 locations, or to be used as a satellite-to-home LTTH system. Used similarly as many CATV FTTH systems, instead LTTH units transport 4 independent satellite signals off the dish and mux them into a single fiber. DWDM light spectrum can be amplified by EDFA, this is why we can distribute The fifth product is 4CH L-band over single fiber extender 45 to 3000 MHz CWDM, 4CH LNB satellite dish fiber optic transport over SMFOC, 4 laser satellite TV antenna feed over fiber optic transmitter system with internal CWDM optics. Ideal for point-to-point transport or point up to 32 multipoint. Most advanced multi-channel satellite distribution system for MDU. Maximum durability with advanced automatic system adjustments to deliver 100% clear HD TV programming with zero signal loss. For more information about the products, please check the link in the description below the video. Thank you for watching.